You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. You may know it as a shrimp. In the US, they don't use this word all that much, yet it is used in the US. It's a shrimp. It's an animal that you eat. Pronounced in British English as prawn. Prawn. It's much closer to an O sound actually, prawn. Now the American pronunciation US is more commonly as prawn. The plural is going to be prawns. How to pronounce English pronunciation, prawn. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.